Do you monitor the work and efficiency of the machines in your factory? FitMech gives you access to real-time metrics and actionable insights on production machines' performance. Once downtime is detected, operators can tag the reason with an app. These inputs are analyzed with intelligent algorithms that give you insight on what can be improved. Just fix the sensor to the vibrating element of the machine, plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi network, and configure it online. Our sensors work with any machine that moves or shakes when operating. Monitor your production in real time, track unplanned stops, and quickly identify process bottlenecks. Do it on your smartphone, laptop, or TV with no extra costs of technical maintenance and IT support. All that available in flexible subscription model. Start monitoring performance of your machines with FitMech now.